I'm excited to be here with Jensen. There's been a ton of advancement in AI and agents over the past year, and in the last few months in particular. A lot of it has come as better performance, but at the same time openness, control, and trust in these models and the systems around them have become more and more important. So the first thing I want to start with is, how and why are you guys at NVIDIA investing in an open agent ecosystem and stack?
Well, first, before I answer, I want to congratulate you for all the work that you do. Even though we've both worked in AI for 15 years, the last 6 months changed everything. All the large language model advances, all the scaling, all the omni-models and multimodality, it's fantastic, but it was the last 6 months where everything came together, and now AI is finally useful. And when AI is useful, every enterprise in the world wants to get their hands on it, and the question becomes how. This is where LangChain comes in. The large language model is the essential ingredient, but to turn it into a useful product you have to surround it with what's now known as a harness.
There's so much more.
So much more. Back in the old days, we used LangChain to turn a large language model into a promptable API, to build our RAGs, step by step, which led to today's agents. The big breakthrough of the last 6 months is these agentic systems, grounded on knowledge, able to use tools to search, managing their own memory, with safeguards, iterating until they get the job done. Claude Code really brought the imagination of agentic systems to life, along with all your work on deep agents, we use it ourselves. An AI ultimately becomes a super agent when you put it into a flywheel, we use it, it gets smarter, it becomes more useful, we use it even more, it gets even smarter, kind of like humans.
It learns over time.
Learns over time. We've dedicated ourselves for many years to building open systems, because AI is a fundamental technology, it's only useful when it's applied across a whole bunch of different use cases. The first use case is just language and cognitive intelligence, which is very important. But we imagine a world where scientists, digital biologists, designers, roboticists, students, researchers, enterprise IT, all of us, use agentic AIs to solve domain-specific problems. The work that Anthropic and OpenAI and Google are doing is all fantastic, but those are proprietary AIs. People want to build specialized, domain-specific AIs, and we want to enable that world to happen.
Maybe digging into that for a second, on this topic of specialization, how exactly do you think it's best to specialize these systems? Is it going to be purely the model? Is it the harness as well? The context outside? What goes into the specialization?
Well, specialization starts with having intelligence that's good enough. That's why we worked on Nematron, and I love that you were part of the founding team of the Nematron Coalition. We made Nematron Ultra pretty incredible. As a starting point, it's a great model. But it becomes an incredible model when you put the LangChain framework, the LangChain harness, around it, so that you ground it on information that is domain-specific.